Hello, this is Rushikesh Deshmukh and Saurabh Mende from Department of Master in Computer Application. Our project topic is smartphone Bluetooth control car using Arduino. Now let me explain the design and working of the project using the following block diagram. The the block 1 Bluetooth module, block 2 Arduino Uno, block 3 DC motor driver, and block 4 DC motor and block 5 DC motor 2. The Bluetooth module, this block is mainly responsible for establishing the connection between the Arduino mobile and phone and circuit. Arduino Uno is the brain of this project. This will control and coordinate all the other components connected with this project. A DC motor driver, we use this module as Arduino will not able to provide the required voltage and current to rotate the DC motor by alone. The digital pin of Arduino will be connected to the input section of DC motor driver. This section will rotate the DC motor according to the voltage received on the Arduino digital pin. DC motor 1 and DC motor 2. These two motors will decide the direction of the car. This car can move to the following direction: forward direction, reverse direction, forward right, forward left, reverse right, reverse left. Now let's talk little about Arduino application that we are going to use for the project. This application can be downloaded from the Arduino Play Store. The name of this application is Arduino Bluetooth RC car. We are not going to use full features of this application. We will try to do it some other project. Now let me try to explain working of this project using this figure. The circuit will be get ready to receive command once the Android application is successfully paired with the Bluetooth module SC05. When a button is pressed, a value will be sent and it will be received by the Bluetooth module. This value again will be sent to Arduino Uno by Bluetooth module. Once Arduino receives the value, it will check what action need to be taken according to the value received. In this case, Arduino will set digital pin 10 to 13 such a way that DC motor will rotate in forward direction. The digital pin 10 to 13 of Arduino Uno is connected to the input pin of the DC motor M1A, M1B, M2A, M2B respectively. Output pin of DC motors will be connected to DC motors. This Arduino will start control the DC motors using their digital pin 10 to 13. These are the components that we are going to use in our project Arduino Uno, a DC motor driver L293D, a Bluetooth module SC05, a connection wire, two DC motors, and a breadboard for establishing a connection between different components. Now let's move on the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, two DC motors are connected to the DC motor driver L293D. M1A, M1B, M2A, M2B are connected to the Arduino's digital pins 10 to 13 respectively, and TX pin of the Bluetooth module is connected with the RX pin of the Arduino. The ground pin is connected with the ground pin of the Arduino, and VCC is connected with the VCC pin of the Arduino. Now let's move on DC motor driver. A 12-volt pin is connected with the breadboard, and the ground also connected with the breadboard. The breadboard is powered by the single 9-volt battery, which is powering Arduino Uno and also DC motor driver. Now let's move on the coding.